Hello there. Friday was a cold start for all of us across the country, but it was certainly a day of contrast. Fog lingered in some places, and that had quite an impact on the temperature, particularly northeast Scotland, with temperatures barely climbing above freezing by the middle part of the afternoon. It was a different story further south, some beautiful autumn sunshine to look out for, and we had over 7 hours of sunshine in parts of Kent.
Very autumnal, isn't it? But there are spots of sunshine around.
Yep, there will be. Yep, keep your fingers crossed. You might see a little bit of it this weekend. Yeah, good morning to you. It is looking pretty unsettled, quite changeable, I think, through the course of the weekend. You might well be waking up to a blanket of cloud and some rain this morning, but it's slowly going to clear its way eastwards and we'll see blustery showers following on behind it. But a real contrast from yesterday. So if we just rewind 24 hours, this time yesterday, temperatures out there were just a few degrees either side of freezing for most of us. But contrast that to what we've got out there at the moment. We've got temperatures between about 5 to 12 degrees first thing. So it's much, much milder, but we're paying for it with the wind and the rain as well. Good morning to you. Yeah, raining almost everywhere, I think, first thing this morning. We've had a lot of rain overnight. This is the picture in London first thing. So many of us waking up to views a little bit like this. Grey skies, really soggy underfoot at the moment as well. But it is going to improve, at least for some of us, as we head through the day. So
I'm not sure it's... Well, you could go for a brisk walk along the beach, couldn't you, Sarah?
well, you could do. I mean, some people will get in the water, won't they? Whatever the weather. But yeah, you might be getting a little bit bored of pictures like this. We've got the rain, we've got the wind, and things are looking pretty unsettled through the weekend. But I can promise you a little bit of sunshine that will come through at times as well. Because yes, we've got a band of rain, but it's gradually going to be pushing its way eastwards. This is Croyd Bay in Devon this morning. Morning to you, Naga and Charlie. Morning to you at home too. Well, if you're waking up to views a little bit like this one in Glasgow, bear with the weather. It will brighten up. I think all of us should see a bit of dry weather through the course of the weekend. But having said that, it is very unsettled.
How's the weather looking for the weekend, Sarah?
Well, Charlie and Naga, it's looking a little bit mixed out there. Still a beautiful view I've got for you over the Gower Peninsula here, but I think it would be a little bit better if we had less in the way of cloud and rain, but some brightness on the horizon, so things are just going to be brightening up from the west as we head through the course of the day. So the persistent rain that many of us have had through the morning will move its way eastwards, so that's going to allow those slightly brighter skies and blustery showers to roll in behind. So a bit of everything in your weather forecast today, all down to the fact that we've got low pressure dominating through the weekend, really. Here it is moving in from the northwest. Then heading through next week, well, to start the week, we've still got a couple of fronts that could bring a bit of heavy rain for southern and western areas, I think, through Monday, but higher pressure in the Atlantic will start to nudge its way in. So Monday, yes, another unsettled sort of day, more showery rain, and the wind's coming in from a bit more of a northerly direction, so that'll bring those temperatures down. Some sunshine in between the showers, highs around 8 to 13 degrees at this stage. But then as that high pressure builds in, if you've been really waiting for a few drier days in a row, you might well see them, particularly across England and Wales through next week. Still a few showers to come, though, at times further north, but not quite as wet and windy as it is this weekend. Naga and Charlie.